guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you guys how I tried curl training. Now I'm trying this on day 3 hair. It has red gel dye in it, so it definitely needs a washing. I'm going in with a deep conditioner and I'm just wetting it a little just to go ahead and start off. Curl training is really good. My hair has gotten very long, and with that being said, because it's so long, it's weighed down at the roots so much that it's actually just straight for 4 inches from the root down all the way maybe to the bottom of my neck, really. So because it's so long, like I said, it doesn't curl at the root, and when I do curl training, it allows those curls to form in the back of my head, which is just so exciting because it gives it so much more definition, and I just absolutely love it. While you do this, you're not gonna want to let this style dry. Trust me, your curls form a pattern while they are still wet, while they are still malleable in that state when they're weak, so that when they dry, it can kind of hold in that form. So you're going to want to make sure that it is wet at all times. At this point, I'm still sectioning most of these parts off and just twisting as I go. Depending on your curl pattern, you can go ahead and make larger chunks for a larger curl pattern. If you want more coily curls, you can do this twisting technique with smaller curls, and you might go ahead and end up with a different result. So once I am done twisting and I've had the deep conditioner in my hair for a little while, like I said, I'm not gonna let them dry. I'll go ahead, re-wet them, and then I'm gonna go and take a shower and shampoo all of this stuff out of my hair. Once I've shampooed and got all of the deep conditioner out, I'm just gonna go ahead and style as normal. Now this is the fun part. This is where I'm able to see if my curls are actually defined or if it really didn't make a difference at all. Like I said before, my hair was very straight at the roots. At this point, I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair. I'm not really sectioning anything off. I'm kind of just going and clumping everything in. I applied my leave-in conditioner. I applied my gel. I really love that gel because it's actually an elongating gel. Link in bio. Look, you can still see that my roots are kind of straight in the back. But anyways, back to what I was saying. Once I go ahead and apply my products, I absolutely loved how my hair came out. I diffused it just a little. I let it air dry for maybe about 10 minutes before I diffused it, and I'm very sure that doing this technique multiple times a month will definitely make a difference in your curls in the long run. So like I said, this was my very first time trying it, and I did see results. I was able to see results that were different compared to my usual styling techniques. So hopefully you'll be able to go and see my journey and follow along this process to see if it actually works. And maybe let me know if you try this out on yourself. How did it work out for you? I absolutely loved it. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can do some more styles, maybe curl training with just the top of my head with a high ponytail, so I can get some really nice defined curls on a high ponytail. That might be another video that I do, just because I love defined curls. I love the volume, and I'm not against frizz 100%. I'm really not, because there's no way to get volume without frizz unless you're using a whole bunch of products, and those products tend to be not so good for your hair, especially if it's curly hair and you're already prone to dryness. Most of those holding products are not good. But hopefully you like this video. If you do, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know down in the comments. And yeah, thank you. Bye.